In this tutorial, we'll explore advanced editing features like layering, aligning, and distributing, which helps you refine your quilt designs with precise layering and spacing. Let's get started. When working with multiple shapes in a quilt block, the layering order determines which pieces appear on top or behind others. Select the shape you want to bring forward. Right-click, Order, Move to Front, or click the icon in the toolbar to bring it to the top layer. To send an object behind another, right-click, Order, Move to Back, or click the icon in the toolbar to send the layer to the back. To move a design element one layer at a time, use Backward or Forward option in the Order drop-down menu. The alignment icon helps you perfectly align shapes for precise placement. Select two or more objects you want to align. Click any of the alignment icons in the toolbar to automatically align the shapes. Left Align aligns all selected design components to the furthest left. Right Align aligns all selected design components to the furthest right. Top Align aligns all selected design components to the highest object. Bottom Align aligns all selected design components to the lowest object. Vertical Center arranges selected design components so horizontal centers align, and Horizontal Center arranges selected design components so vertical centers align. The Distribute tool helps you evenly space shapes within a block or quilt layout. Select 3 or more objects that you want to distribute. Click Distribute horizontally. This spaces objects evenly from left to right. Or distribute vertically. This spaces objects evenly from top to bottom. The shapes will automatically align with equal spacing. By combining Move to Front and Distribute, you can create quilt blocks with precise shape placement for symmetrical designs, layered effects for complex patterns, and even spacing that enhances balance in your quilt layout. That's it. Now you know how to layer, align, and distribute objects using advanced editing in AccuQuiltable Block Maker. For more quilting tips, visit AccuQuilt.com for tutorials and inspiration. Happy quilting!